In this video, I will show you how to use the Instagram highlight cover editor. First, launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon. Here, you should be able to find your highlights. Go ahead and select any one of them. Now you want to tap on these three dots. Here, find the option of edit highlight. Here, you have the option of edit cover. Tap on it. Now you will be able to access the editor. Here you can browse available templates, icons, colors, or other design options and choose a style that matches your profile. Once you're happy with the design, you can tap on the done or finished option. Now your cover will be successfully updated. If you don't see the highlight cover option, make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram. Once you're done, tap on finished again to confirm it. And in this way, you can use Instagram highlight cover editor. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.